there have been developments that do implement these, and so just wanted to make you aware in case you guys move forward and do decide to allow data centers in our jurisdiction that potentially you could see this type of thing come along with them. And so essentially what this is, these battery energy storage facilities are these containers that are lined up with different types of batteries, whether they be lithium-ion, lead acid, sodium-ion, or other types of batteries. The operator will either generate the energy via solar or something else on site with on-site generation, or they will buy power at non-peak hours, store the energy, and use the energy later on. So the one thing to be aware of with these is that lithium-ion specifically, batteries in general have hazards such as thermal runaway. So essentially what that is if there's overheating of battery cells, it'll trigger essentially a self-sustaining chemical reaction, and it'll just get hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter, and eventually you have the risk of fire and explosion. And if you have a lot of these together, very dangerous. They're hard to put out. With responding, you don't want to use water and electrical fire. You have to use different methods and things like that, and so you make sure that your emergency services are prepared to address these things.